This online course is taught by International Tutor Galina Kofod. Galina has been teaching courses around the world for over 7 years and always uses her overflowing creativity to design something new every time. In this video tutorial, Galina helps you make a beautiful silk English rose using Japanese techniques. To help you in your flower making journey, Galina has prepared a silk English rose kit for you. This kit includes everything that you need. In this video tutorial, she will show you in detail all stages of creating silk flowers, the dyeing technique, and working with tools. Particular attention will be paid to assembling the creation. You will be able to follow Galina's flower making path by purchasing this video tutorial on her website or on her Etsy shop. Galina will let you in on her secrets of how to make stunning silk flowers without expensive Japanese materials. There are a lot of different schools in Japanese flower making with different approaches. Some of them try to completely copy nature. Galina prefers a more fantasy look for her silk flowers. She aims for her flowers to be eye-catching. We are sure your flower will look the same.